but I damaged the steering. Done that. The good news is I'm going to upgrade the steering because look at that. That is awful. Oh, can't be driving like that. What am I going to be upgrading it with? Oh, the rack and pinion. Oh, yes. Gonna get a lot better. Gotta do some modifications though. I gotta cut these adjustments down. And all that good happy stuff. Gonna have to modify it to use the steering wheel. But the first step is I gotta get all this old crap off, so I guess you can watch me do that. Yep. So, as I was doing this, I first thought I was gonna have to mount it up here in order to keep steering correct. Then I had an epiphany. It reverses it. So I can mount it back here, which is what I want to do because it's simpler and there's already a bracket, which means I have to flip the spindles around. Move this one there and vice versa, so that way these attachments are back here instead of in front. I'll probably discover a new problem when I do that. Just a second. I took it off, but I'm going to put it back on. But there is a plate that goes right here that allows for the old mower deck to hook up on. That is the plate that's going to hold this. Yeah, I'll have to keep rethinking. Yeah, it'll have to be in this orientation. And then you can see there's the end of the steering wheel. Have to take that off, and it comes with a shaft and it should fit, give or take. But I'd have plans if it doesn't, or at least it should reach. This plate right here. Seven. 7 to the middle spline. No middle spline. Alright, so there's the center of that. this thing back together. I think there is. Oh, oh, I'm so gassy. I think if I can find a way to clamp. Yeah, 2x4 or something. That'd be pretty close. All right. Bad. Alright. Ta-da. Alright, I did pretty good. All things considering. I think I'm going to mount them. I want to see this thing work a little bit. next step is getting it hooked up to the steering, which it's going to have to slot this completely out. Yep. I wonder how much we're going to take off. Might be able to do it very little. It's coming at an angle, that helps. There. Successful. Now the next part is getting hooked up to the steering wheel. Right there. And I am going to replace it with this go-kart lawn. Why? I don't know. I think it will make my legs fit in there a little better. So I'll start doing everything it takes. Get this out.
There's a man I know, I got to call. If you got the money, he's got it all. We're swinging tail, morning and night. It's got the kind of stuff to make you feel alright. Now listen up, boys, and don't need to fight. My man's gonna be here all night till it turns your bad feelings into good. Do more often than I should. Rob me of all my dope, but it keeps me coming back for more. Said it keeps me feeling right as rain, and I sure can't feel any pain. Give me some of that good cocaine. This man I know, baby, you gotta call him. If you got the money, he's got it all. We're swinging to that morning light. He's got the kind of stuff to make you feel alright. Now listen up here, boys, they don't need to fight, cause my man's gonna be here all night. I said to turn your bad feelings into good. Do more often than I should. Rob me of all my dough, but it keeps me coming back for more. Said it keeps me feeling right as rain, and I sure can't feel any pain. Give me some of that good coke. Give me some of that good blow. Give me some of that good cocaine.
Alright, got some issues here. I'm gonna figure them out.